Mastering Kitchen English. Boil for 10 minutes, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in cooking recipes or while preparing food. Boil for 10 minutes. Whether you're in the kitchen or reading a recipe in English, understanding these instructions is crucial. Let's dive in and break down what this phrase means and how to use it correctly. Boil for 10 minutes is a cooking instruction you'll often see in recipes. It means that you need to cook something in boiling water or other liquids, like broth or sauce, for exactly 10 minutes. Boiling is a cooking method where the liquid reaches its highest temperature and starts producing bubbles rapidly. This phrase tells us not just the method, boiling, but also the duration, 10 minutes. Timing is crucial in cooking. Boil for 10 minutes implies that the food needs to be cooked for just the right amount of time. Not enough time, and the food may be undercooked. Too much time, and it could become overcooked or mushy. This instruction ensures that the food reaches the perfect texture and temperature for consumption. To perfectly follow the instruction, boil for 10 minutes, here are a few tips. Use a timer to keep track of cooking time. Make sure the water is fully boiling before adding the food. Keep the lid off or partially open to prevent the liquid from boiling over. Stir occasionally, if necessary, to ensure even cooking. This phrase is commonly used in recipes for pasta, vegetables, eggs, and more. For example, boiling eggs for 10 minutes will give you fully cooked hard-boiled eggs, while pasta might reach an al dente texture. Understanding the context and applying these instructions accurately is key to achieving the desired outcome in your dishes. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and importance of the instruction, boil for 10 minutes, in cooking. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, next time you're in the kitchen, use this knowledge to cook your meals to perfection. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking! Don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.